Greens. I'm good. Ma'am, land basically can include rock also, mountain also. Okay, land and water we call. Whatever area is not covered by water, all those parts are land. Soil is specifically sand, silt, and clay. Guys, yesterday I was talking to you about soils in India. Means in that we started with alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is present in these areas. Okay, the states are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam. And you also have them in east coast of India. The east coast of India is basically called as deltaic alluvial soils. Deltaic alluvial soil. Okay. So you can write next point. Alluvial soil, alluvial soil present in present in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam. This is actually part of your Ganga basin, and here the texture of the soil is red in the form of Bhabar Terai Bangar Kadar. Okay. In that particular aspect, we saw the texture. Apart from that, we saw deltaic alluvial soil, which is present in east coast of India, some parts of west coast. Yes, in west coast also rivers will flow. So in some parts of west coast and in Gujarat coast also. And in Gujarat coast also, you will normally observe what we call as deltaic alluvial soils. Okay. These are the areas where we will have alluvial soils. Next, everyone, see here. Please look at this place. Vindhyas and Satpuras. This is your Aravallis region. Okay. This is your Western Ghats. Now, what has happened in this particular part? And this particular part. This in these areas, guys, we normally observe flood basalt. Okay, lava flow has occurred, flood basalt has occurred. This flood basalt, basalt is extrusive igneous rock. Okay, basalt is extrusive igneous rock, and it will have fine grain. And as it has fine grain, in this region, we normally observe black soils. Above Vindhyas and Satpuras, below Vindhyas and Satpuras, and some parts of Gujarat, okay, some parts of Gujarat, what we observe is like, black soil. Please write. Please write. Second type of soil is black soil. It is formed due to weathering of flood basalt. As you are all aware, basalt is extrusive igneous rock. It will have fine grain. Next, it leads to clayey soil, black soil, cotton soil, self-flowing soil. I'll explain these words. Rigor soil. Okay. See, guys, black soil is also known as clayey soil because 90% of it is formed by clay. Okay. As clay is more, we call it as clayey soil. It is black in color, so it is called as black soil. It helps in cultivation of cotton. Okay, it helps in cultivation of cotton. So the properties of black soil like clayey, and this black soil is present in dry areas where rainfall is very, very less. So as it is present in areas where rainfall is less, It helps in cotton cultivation also. That's why it's called cotton soil. And it is called as self-plowing soil because normally in high temperature, okay, when there is high temperature, the soil will develop cracks. The soil will develop cracks. So it is called as self-plowing soil. It is called as rigor soil. The word rigor is taken from Telugu word called Nalla Regullu. Don't worry about it. So it is actually called as rigor soil because in Telugu the black soil is called as Regullu. That's it. So all these names normally point out to black soil. Okay. Now if we look at this, the property of the black soil is when you add water to it, it becomes sticky and difficult to plow. Okay, when you don't add water, cracks develop, easy to plow. Fine. So before first rainfall, easy to plow. But once a rainfall occurs, it will be very difficult to plow. So please understand, when I told you May 25th it will hit Lakshadweep, June 1st it will hit Kerala coast, we were all worried about rainfall coming because if it comes early, the farmers are not yet ready to do cultivation. So we will be always worried about this particular aspect. So what is it that you normally observe here? Rigor soil, okay. When there is no rainfall, during summer season, cracks develop and it is easy to plow. Okay, cracks develop and it is easy to plow. Once there is rainfall, it becomes sticky and difficult to plow. Okay, because just remember one thing, in almost all the soils of India, they are fertile only, guys. Okay, but because of excessive cultivation over generations, like our civilization is one of the oldest. So because of that, basically, there is no fertility left in any of these soils. But the point is, if we use fertilizers, then it definitely helps in cultivation. Not excessive, even minor if you add, that's enough. The quality of soil is good. Mineral content is not there. And that mineral content has to be added. And how will you add? You have to add through fertilizers, or our farmers will do through organic. They add manure and all, earthworms and all. And that's how we do cultivation. So, one basic aspect is about the quality of soil is always good. Never worry about it. And most of the soils do not have nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is not there. It is provided from external sources itself. Now, black soil areas, if you take, Where are black soils present? Madhya Pradesh, eastern Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, North Karnataka, and parts of Telangana. These are the areas where black soil is present. Okay, black soil is present. See, guys, these are the areas. Now, guys, please understand, wherever there is very heavy rainfall, okay, high rainfall, high temperature, India almost comes under high temperature, guys. So wherever we have high rainfall, high temperature, in those areas, we normally have what we call as laterite soil. Because laterite soil is basically clayey soil. It is derived from the word latter. Latter means brick. Okay, if you take a brick and if you break, you'll get very fine grains. Same way, laterite soil is also there. And it is last stage of weathering. The meaning of that is beyond that particles will not break. So that means because of high temperature, high rainfall, every day high temperature, high rainfall, high temperature, high rainfall, the soil in that region has broken down into smallest particles possible. And where all they will be present, wherever there is very heavy rainfall. For example, west coast of India, some parts of Chota Nagpur Plateau and Meghalaya Plateau, we will normally observe laterite soil. Okay, it is laterite soil. I just want you to know one more thing here, guys. Alluvial soil is largest in India. Black soil, it is second largest in India, along with red and yellow. Along with red and yellow, black soil is the second largest. First is alluvial soil. Third, we will talk about laterite soil, guys. Okay. What exactly is your laterite soil? Derived from the word latter, which means brick. Okay, derived from the word latter, which means brick. It is soft when water is added. And becomes hard when heated. It is soft when water is added and becomes hard when heated. Where is it present? It is present in high temperature, high rainfall areas. Okay, next. It is last stage of weathering and is clayey soil. Is last stage of weathering and is clayey soil. Which one? Laterite soil. Then this. Where all laterite soil are there? Areas west coast of India, parts of Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Meghalaya Plateau. West coast of India, parts of Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Meghalaya Plateau. All these areas you will observe laterite soils. And everyone, it is helpful for plantation agriculture. Like cashew, banana, and all this, it is very helpful. Because guys, heavy rainfall means rubber can be cultivated, cashew can be cultivated. So all those are cultivated in this part also. That is called as what? Laterite soil. Okay. See guys, I'll write alluvial soil. This is where you saw alluvial soil. All this is alluvial soil. Then you saw laterite soil. Okay. Now you check this part, guys. All this part is red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil. They're all red and yellow soil mainly because, okay, I just want you to know, in Gujarat you will have black soil also, you'll have alluvial soil also. So Gujarat has multiple things. Okay. Huh. These are all red and yellow soil because there is iron ore. As I already told you, if iron ore is present, due to chemical weathering, rusting will occur. And due to rusting, it will turn red and yellow. Okay. So here, the basic point that you must be aware is fourth type is red and yellow soil. And what is this? It is second largest along with black soil. Along with black soil. Next, it is present where iron ore is present. It is present where iron ore is present. Okay, that is wherever you have chemical weathering of this, that leads to red and yellow soil. Okay, it is mostly loamy soil. Loamy means mixture of sand, silt, and clay. It is mostly loamy soil. Because laterite also has iron content, guys, because of red color. Even they have iron content. And guys, where is red and yellow present? Red and yellow, the areas where they are present are one, Jharkhand, Jharkhand region, Odisha region, Chhattisgarh region, Andhra Pradesh region, Tamil Nadu region, South Karnataka region. So in all these areas, we normally observe red and yellow soil. Okay. So this is very, very important for you guys. Red and yellow soil. Fine. Then you see this part, guys. In Rajasthan region, we normally observe arid soil. In Rajasthan region, we normally observe arid soil. It is basically sandy soil. It is present because of high temperature, low rainfall. High temperature and low rainfall has led to what we basically call as arid soils. Okay, arid soils. And see, arid soils are also good for cultivation if fertilizers are added. Okay, as I told you, every soil is good for cultivation if fertilizers and irrigation is added. So what do you have? Fifth is arid soil. Okay, arid soil. Now guys, what is this arid soil? It is sandy soil because 90% is made up of sand. It is present in areas where there is high temperature and low rainfall. Where there is high temperature and low rainfall, you will normally observe arid soils being present. It's very, very important for us, guys. Learning arid soils. Okay. They are good for cultivation if irrigation and fertilizers are provided. If irrigation and fertilizers are provided, it is good for cultivation. Which one? Arid soil. See guys, almost entire India is done. The last one that you have is Himalayas. So basically, not only Himalayas, guys, wherever we have mountains, in all those areas, we will have mountain soils. Okay, any mountain will have mountain soil, but the type of soil depends upon the mountain. Okay, if you have Western Ghats, hard rocks, less soil. Himalayas, soft rocks, more soil. Okay, uh, slope is more. Slope is more, less soil. Gentle slope, more soil. So like this, you will have variations. So the last type, small type, is basically your mountain soil. So basically you will have mountain soil. Okay, in arid soil areas, guys, Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat and Haryana. And when we say mountain soils, they are on top of mountains and texture, composition depends on type of mountains. Texture composition depends on type of mountains. Thickness depends on slope. Like areas, not example. Areas, Himalayas. Okay. So the soils which are present in hilly areas, mountains, are called as mountain soil. Okay. Everyone, along with me, I want you to try once, guys. Okay. I will delete it. I will delete it. Yeah, Ladakh portion is covered with glaciers, guys. Everyone, ma'am, mountain soil feature varies from area to area. You see, what type of soil do you have here, guys? What type of soil will you have in all these areas? Everyone? Everyone? alluvial soil. Very good. Guys, Babar, Terai, Bangar, Kadar. They are all part of which areas? Guys? They are all part of which areas? Delta or Ganga basin? Delta or Ganga basin? Delta. Okay. Ganga basin. Ganga basin, you will have Babbar, Terai, Bangar, Kadar. Okay. Guys, can you tell me this area which soil will be there, guys? Vindhyas and Satpuras will have mountain soils, but in other parts you will have black soil. Guys, can you tell west coast of India? West coast of India, parts of Chota Nagpur plateau, this area, which soil will be there? Very good. Laterite soil. Very good. Very good. Guys, can you tell me this area's remaining part, which soil will be there, guys? Red and yellow. Very good. Very good. Guys, which soil will be in this particular part? Arid soil. Okay. Now last, wherever mountains are there, guys, wherever mountains are there, which soil will you have? Mountain soils. Guys, if I give you a plain India map, will you be able to write? Okay, will you be able to write where which soil will be there? Yeah. Please understand, guys, accuracy is not required. Accuracy is not required. Little bit if you can know, it is fine, because in most of the areas black soil will be there, laterite will be there, variations will be there. But overview is this. Overview is this. Okay. So what is this that we call it as? Indian soils. Indian soils. Sushmit, arid soil, like what you call as laterite, they're all formed from granitic rocks, Darwar rocks and all. At the bottom, what is there is this only. Rajasthan, that is arid soil, it may be due to deposits from, there is a lot of confusion with respect to formation of Rajasthan desert, because people say it was below ocean once upon a time and all. So everywhere rocks are not important, so don't worry about it. Yeah, parts, Kennedy parts will have it. Yes. Now everyone, see guys, I want to combine soil and rainfall and look at Indian agriculture. Okay, I want to look at Indian agriculture. See guys, at least 1 to 3 questions will come from Indian agriculture. Overall agriculture, 10 questions will come. You will get it from environment, you will get it from economy, you will also get it from geography. So, however you want to understand that, I will help you out with this. So, you can write the next topic is agriculture. Next topic is agriculture, Indian agriculture. Okay, yeah. First, guys, first terminologies. Terminology. I'll give you a few terminologies which you might be aware. Guys, Green Revolution. If someone asks you, what was Green Revolution? It was basically introduction of high yielding variety seeds. Green Revolution is mostly about introduction of high yielding variety seeds. And in today's terminology, we are planning for evergreen revolution. Evergreen revolution basically means organic farming. So if we go for organic farming, it is called as evergreen revolution. When we say white revolution, what is white revolution about, guys? Milk. Good. Milk. Fourth, blue revolution. Aquaculture. Pink revolution. Pink revolution. Onions and prawns. Then red revolution. Red revolution. Tomato and meat. Shall I move? Next page. Aquaculture means everything associated with fishes. Sorry, with water, not fishes. Red. Golden fiber revolution. Golden fiber revolution is for jute. Jute. Silver. Don't worry about numbers, guys. Silver fiber revolution is what? Cotton. Silver revolution is for egg. Yellow revolution. Any idea? Yellow revolution Oil seeds. Good, Sonali. Oil seeds. Black Revolution. Petroleum products. Sweet Revolution. Honey. Grey Revolution. Fertilizers. So guys, these are all different revolutions we have. Brown is for yeah. We have one more, guys. Round Revolution. Potatoes. Potatoes are given round revolution. Brown revolution is leather. Tomato is red revolution. Potatoes are not in round, but they call it round revolutions. Okay. Done, shall I move? Lakshmi, it's better to remember. You never know, not in UPSC, but other exams they ask you. Next, guys, we use the term subsistences. Subsistence. See, guys, whenever agriculture is done for consumption purpose, okay, or to meet basic needs, that is called subsistence agriculture. Okay, so when we ma'am, honey is changed to sweet revolution. Earlier they had that. Now subsistence cultivation is mostly for consumption purpose or to meet basic needs. Sumo, I gave evergreen revolutions. I think you didn't see them. Commercial. See, guys, opposite to subsistence is commercial. Okay. So, cultivation is mostly for sale. Commercial cultivation, subsistence cultivation. I have a simple question for you. In India, majority of the farmers have less than 1 acre land. If you have less than 1 hectare land, in that 1 hectare land, whatever you cultivate, will it help you to get more money or will it help you to get your basic needs? That's why it will have that subsistence. In India, mostly it is subsistence. Then we use two terms: intensive, extensive. Intensive, extensive. You tell me, guys, I have half acre land. Okay. Will I use every inch of land carefully, or I will just throw seeds and tell wherever you want you grow? How will you do? Have you seen wherever like rice and all is being cultivated? Can you see they bend and keep each and everything? So whenever more inputs are given, when more irrigation is given, when more fertilizers are given, when more labor is given, it is called as intensive. Okay. But in US case, a farmer has 500 acres. No one is there to work. What does he do? He will use an aeroplane, drop seeds. Wherever the seeds will fall, it will grow. Fertilizers, he will just put it in aircraft. So if you do like that, it is called as extensive. Okay. Intensive, when more inputs are provided, like when more inputs are provided, like seeds, fertilizers, labor, etc. Okay, that is called intensive. Next, extensive. Opposite to this is when less inputs are provided per hectare of land. Yes, in India, we normally use intensive subsistence agriculture. Do you understand the terminologies? Intensive subsistence agriculture. Okay. Now, everyone, look at this. Three more terms. Agricultural productivity. Agricultural productivity. Anil, intensive basically means more inputs. Okay. Utilizing it more effectively. See, guys, today, my agricultural land is giving 1 ton per hectare of land. Tomorrow, because of fertilizers, because of seeds, because of irrigation, if I increase it to 1.5 tons, then I have increased agricultural productivity. Today it was giving 1.5 tons, but it became 1.2 tons. That is called as reduction in agricultural productivity. Okay, so we have two terms: agricultural productivity, when output per hectare area increases. Example: 2021, 1.5 tons per hectare area. 2023, 2 tons per hectare area. Okay, so we say agricultural productivity has increased. Okay, next. Agricultural efficiency. Please understand, everyone. Agricultural efficiency. Okay, now remember, uh, earlier per hectare of land I used to use, okay, two two packets or two bags of urea. Okay, earlier for 1 acre of land I used to use 2 bags of urea, and today for 1 acre of land I am just using 1.5 bags of urea. What did I do? I went for neem coated urea. Earlier urea, when I used to add, lot of urea were going waste. Now when I went for neem coated urea, utilization efficiency has increased. Second, earlier I used to use more water to grow the crops. Now what did I do? I changed the irrigation method. I brought drip irrigation. So when I started adding drip by drip water near the roots, I started saving lot of water. Now flood irrigation wasted lot of water, drip irrigation saved a lot of water. So remember, whenever I am reducing the inputs without compromising on the output, then it is called as agricultural efficiency. I repeat, please see what is it that I am trying to talk about. If I talk about agricultural productivity, earlier it was just 1 ton, but now it became 1.5 ton. So I'm not telling how much I gave inputs. Irrespective of inputs, I am only focused on output. That is called as agricultural productivity. But when I am more focused on the inputs, because in India today, lot of wastage is happening. Farmers' income will increase not when output increases further, but when inputs are reduced. So to reduce the inputs, we are going for agricultural efficiency. Niti Aayog says today the focus is mostly on agricultural efficiency. Okay, you see, when inputs per hectare area is reduced, when inputs per hectare area is reduced, without compromising on output, that is called as agricultural efficiencies. Example, flood irrigation is replaced with drip irrigation. Another terminology, agricultural intensity. Okay. Yes, now I'll tell you something. Gujarat will get rainfall only during monsoon season. Gujarat will get Gujarat will get rainfall only during monsoon season. Okay. It will not get rainfall any other time. Fine. Now, if a farmer is dependent on rainfall, can I say he will normally get only one crop per year? You tell me. If a farmer is dependent only on rainfall, will he get only one crop? Yes. Now what I will do, I will give irrigation facility to them. Okay, I will give irrigation facility to them. You tell me, when irrigation is provided, can the same farmer grow more number of crops? If I provide water throughout the year, can he grow crops throughout the year? Can he grow more than one crop? Yes. Okay. See guys, earlier I used to grow only one crop per year. But now in the same agricultural land, I am growing 3 crops per year, 2 crops per year. That is called as agricultural intensity. Okay. See guys, what is it? We normally say that you will have net sown areas. Net sown area. What is net sown area? The meaning of that is how much of agricultural land in India is used for cultivation is called as net sown area. Okay. How much of land is used for agriculture in India is called as net sown area. And let me assume the number to be 150 million hectare area. Okay, 150 million hectare area. Now, what happens, guys? In this 150, in 50 million hectare area, farmers grew 3 crops like West Bengal, west coast of India, east coast of India, and Punjab, Haryana region, where lot of water was available. People grew 3 crops per year. And in some areas where rainfall was little less, people grew 2 crops per year. And in some area where rainfall is little less, people grew only 1 crop per year. Okay, see guys, in 50 million hectare area, okay, how many crops? 3 crops. That means I had 150 million hectare area of cultivation. Okay, in how many hectares of land did you cultivate in a year? 150. Why? So many occurred. In 100 million hectare area, I had cultivation. 50 million hectare area, I will have cultivation. Okay. Yeah. I'll explain this again. What exactly does this mean? You see, total how much land I have? 150 million hectare area. That is net sown area. Okay. But how many times I am using the same agricultural land? That is basically called as gross sown area. Gross sown area. Now you tell this, this how many times did I use? 3 times I used same agricultural land, correct, in a year. That means, can I say 150? 2 times I used 50 million hectare area. That means 100. Only 1 time I used 50 million hectare area. That means 50. Together, how much, guys? Together, I have 300 million hectare areas. So, net sown area, that is total land available to me, is just 150. But how well did I utilize it is gross sown area. Agri intensity is equal to gross sown area divided by net sown area. That is, this will be 300 divided by 150, which will be equal to 2. So agricultural intensity will be 2. That means the available land I am using almost twice in a year. No need of all these calculations for you guys. If they use the term intensity, just remember the same area is utilized multiple times. Then it is known as yes, Kennedy. We can change gross sown area, but net sown area remains same. Now, cropping seasons in India, guys. Cropping seasons in India. Okay. First one. Kharif season. Guys, Kharif season basically means in monsoon season. Guys. In monsoon season. If any crop is cultivated in monsoon season, then it is called as Kharif season. Okay. If any crop is cultivated in monsoon season, it is called as Kharif season. And what is monsoon season? Monsoon season is basically high temperature season. High temperature season. But you will have two types in this case. One will be high rainfall areas. Another one will be low rainfall areas. You tell me, guys, during monsoon, everywhere will you get same amount of rainfall, or some areas will get high rainfall and some areas will get low rainfall? Now, if you take rice, sugar cane, jute, coffee, rubber, guess these are all high rainfall crops, guys. Cashew, these are all high rainfall crops. Now you see low rainfall, ragi, jowar, bajra, cotton, oil seeds, pulses, groundnut. Guys, mandatorily you should by heart it, guys. Mandatorily you should by heart it. At least one question regularly they ask you about this. 9th and 11th standard NCRT book, additional points if you see it is good enough. Okay, this is one aspect. Kharif season. Shall I move? Second is Rabi season. Rabi season. Low temperature and average rainfall. Basically, guys, it is called as winter crop. Okay, winter crop. And please understand, monsoon gives rainfall in most parts of India, guys. 80% of India receives rainfall during monsoon season. Okay, but Rabi, that too low temperature. I'm not talking about winter rainfall. I'm talking about low temperature areas. Is mostly your Punjab. I don't know if you recollect. Western disturbances give rainfall in northwestern India. In western Uttar Pradesh, northern Rajasthan area. Guys, Rabi, as there is low temperature, we grow wheat, barley, oats. Wheat, barley, oats. Anything, guys? You will have few pulses also grown. Repeatedly, multiple times asked question is about wheat. Wheat, they ask lot of questions. Millets come under mustard, correct. Pulses are part of both Kharif season also, Rabi season also. Just first write this. This is general. Later I will give you other parts. Vinay, I don't want to enter into rainfall now because we have already dealt enough. If you have any doubts, you please see previous classes. Yes, Vidya. Zaid crops. Okay. Zaid crops. Mostly we call it as summer crops. Okay, Zaid crop is summer crop. Mostly in this season, you will have mango, watermelon, muskmelon, vegetables, papaya, etc. Yes, this is with respect to three cropping seasons, guys. But guys, I will give you the crops for which MSP is given in India, guys. The crops for which MSP is given in India, so that you will be able to get. Summer means high temperature only. First, Kharif, minimum support price is paddy, minimum support price given by the government to farmers: jowar, bajra, ragi, maize, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, groundnut, sunflower, soya bean, sesame. Yeah, Sushmit. Both are same. Anjali, I'll come to sugarcane. Sugarcane, we give different thing. Done? Did you write? Rabi crops, where MSP is given as wheat, barley, gram, masur, rape seeds, mustard, safflower, thuria. Yes, actually they say rape seeds and mustard. Apart from this, guys, Aniket, I can't explain how safflower and all looks. Please see in Google Images. That's better. Copra, dehusked coconut, jute. Yes, these are 23. And fair and remunerative price is given to sugar cane. Fair and remunerative price is given to sugar cane. Yeah. Ma'am, gram, masur, turia, these are all type of pulses only, ma'am. Copra, dehusked coconut. That means once you remove that, you get that right. Ma'am, they are not, these three also get MSP, ma'am, not specifically associated with Kharif season. Anytime when they grow, they give this, ma'am. That's why. All 23 are under this. Okay. Guys, uh, we will have class till agriculture is completed, and I hope it will take till 8 because I have to give you many areas to understand as it is very important topic. Okay. So yeah, take 15 minutes break this. Take comfortably and come. 6:40 will meet. Yes. So, guys, the first basic thing that I want you people to be aware is, let me first tell you which crops require what type of climate. So, it's very easy for you people to understand where they will grow and all this. First is rice. Rice or paddy. Rice or paddies. Basically, rice or paddy requires high temperature and high rainfall. And in India, guys, paddy is mostly monsoon crop. It is grown almost in all parts of India. Different varieties of rice is grown. And do you know, we had more than 50,000 varieties of rice in India. Okay. So almost everywhere rice is being cultivated. Fine. And it is also said to be water intensive crop. It is also said to be water intensive crop. It is called as monsoon crop and it is also called as kharif crop. And if you see the next one, sugar canes. You see, rice will take 3 to 4 months to grow. Sugarcane will take 8 to 12 months to grow. Okay. Both rice and sugarcane both require more water. But can you tell me considerably which one will be called as high water intensive crops? If I give you both rice and sugarcane, which one will you take? Which one will you choose? Sugarcane, not rice, not rice. I'll tell you why, you see. Rice, how many months of water? How many months of standing water for rice? 4 months. Sugarcane, how many months? 8 to 12 months. Sugarcane require 8 to 12 months. Don't you think we have to supply water for 8 to 12 months if we are growing sugarcane? One crop of sugarcane, 8 to 12 months of water you have to provide. Okay. Sima, now I am growing rice and I have water. I grow sugarcane. I give water. Same amount of water is given for both. Okay, same amount of water is given for both. But for rice, I give it for 4 months. Sugarcane, I give it for 8 months. That means 8 months I should keep on giving because due to evaporation and all, some water will be lost. Again, I have to fill. I have to keep on filling. So can I say overall, one crop of sugarcane consumes more water compared to one crop of rice? So we normally say sugarcane is more water intensive crop. Okay. Now everyone see here. Sugar cane is mostly tropical crop. Guys. Tropical crop. But in India, Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane. UP is the largest producer of sugarcane. Why UP is largest producer of sugarcane? And is UP tropical region or subtropical region? Is UP tropical or subtropical region? Subtropical region. Even though UP is in subtropical region, we normally say that highest sugar cane is present in UP, that to western side of UP. So basically in India, sugar cane is cultivated where irrigation is available. Where irrigation is available. Okay. Can you people tell me Punjab Haryana region? Can you people tell me Punjab Haryana region? Which rivers will be there? Punjab, Haryana, Delhi region. Which river irrigation will be there? So we say Sutlej river and Yamuna river. Delhi Yamuna river and Punjab region Sutlej. Okay. Can you tell, guys? Can you tell? Western Uttar Pradesh. Which river will be there, guys? Ganga river. So guys, in North India, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi region, Western Uttar Pradesh region normally have sugarcane. Okay. But guys, please understand, area-wise, Punjab, Haryana, UP and all comes under dry region. They do not come under moist region or wet region. I'll help you recollect it. Okay. Then guys, in South India, that is below Vindhyas and Satpuras, Maharashtra grows sugar cane a lot. Okay, Maharashtra grows sugar cane a lot, and they use groundwater. They also use Krishna river and Godavari river more. Krishna, Godavari river, groundwater they use more. Where? Maharashtra. Next is Karnataka. North Karnataka region, where you have Krishna river. South Karnataka region, where you have Kaveri river. North Karnataka, Krishna river. South Karnataka, Kaveri river. Maharashtra, Aditya, as I told you, underground water. Groundwater is excessively used. Fine, guys? In Odisha region, Mahanadi basin. Mahanadi basin grow sugar canes. Mahanadi basin grow sugar cane. Anjali, every area is not provided with Sutlej Yamuna itself, because there will be areas deep inside where this waters won't reach. There they use groundwater. Tamil Nadu region, Kaveri Delta region, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region, Krishna and Godavari region. So yes, these are the areas where you will have sugar canes. And can you all observe, wherever rivers are there, irrigation is there, sugar cane is cultivated. Wherever rivers are there, irrigation is there, sugar cane is cultivated. I want you to write a note here. Guys, North Indian sugar cane, North Indian sugar cane is thin. That is, it has less sucrose content, whereas South Indian is thick. That is, it has more sucrose content. So sucrose content is not same everywhere. South India will have more sucrose content, North India will have less sucrose content. Basically they say temperature is responsible. So winter season temperature reduces, so it contracts and all. We don't know exactly. Agriculture is technical. Is this done? Yes. Third crop that is very important for you is jute crops. Jute. Okay, please remember, jute is not grown everywhere. Jute is only grown where there is high temperature, high rainfall, and it requires alluvial soil. Ankita, rice is grown almost everywhere. And remember, jute is normally grown in lower Ganga region. That means we talk about Patna to Haldia. There is a place in West Bengal called as Haldia, guys. So Patna to Haldia, that means Bihar and West Bengal, and also parts of Assam. Parts of Assam. So Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam, jute crop will be grown. Nowhere else in India, jute crops are normally there. No, no, ma'am. Oats are different. Jute is different. Ma'am, Meghalaya and all, you have Garo, Kasi, Jaintia and all, no, ma'am. Normally, tribal communities, they don't grow these type of commercial crops. And different areas will have different types of crops. Is this done? Is this done? Fourth is cotton. Cotton. Everyone remember, you tell me, when cotton is growing, okay, if water is added on cotton, will it come closer or will it expand? Will it come closer or will it expand when water is added? Closer. If it comes closer, it is not easy to remove. So cotton doesn't like moist climate. Cotton likes dry climate where sunshine will fall, expansion occurs. Such type of climate will be there. Okay, dry climates. Cotton is normally grown. Now, what cotton requires? You tell me. Does it require high temperature or low temperature? High temperature. No, no, Sumo. See, high temperature basically means cotton spreads out. And then it requires low rainfall. Low rainfall. Most importantly, guys, most important characteristic of cotton is 210 frost free days. Okay, frost free days. The moment in exam you see the term 210, okay, the moment you observe 210, you have to say it is associated with cotton. Okay, the moment you see 210, it is cotton. No other crop require 210 days. Aniket, you see, black soil helps in cotton cultivation. Okay, black soil helps in cotton cultivation, but not only black soil, but cotton is also grown in Punjab, Haryana region. Pakistan, cotton is grown. So not everywhere you have black soil. Okay, but black soil is good for cotton cultivation. Frost free basically means water should not form ice. Okay, the moment water forms ice, the plants will start dying. Okay, frost free should not occur. It can be cultivated in black soil more. That's it. It's not that only black soil, all other soils are also good. But the main condition is 210 frost free days. Shall I move to next page? Where all in India cotton is cultivated, if you check, wherever we have black soil areas, okay, wherever we have black soil areas, that is Madhya Pradesh. Do you have in Gujarat, guys? Do you have black soil in Gujarat? Yes or no? Do you have black soil in Gujarat? Do you have it in Maharashtra? Do you have it in North Karnataka, Telangana region? Apart from this, you also have in Punjab, okay, not black soil, okay, black soil, other areas, Punjab, Haryana. Once upon a time, they used to grow a lot. Now it has reduced. Tamil Nadu region. Okay. Tamil Nadu region also has cotton. Okay. Tamil Nadu region also has cotton. Fine. Fine, guys. Okay. Next is millets. Millets. Yeah, UP also some parts. Millets. Millets are ragi, jowar, bajra. Okay. Millets are ragi, jowar, bajra. And guys, they require high temperature and low rainfall. They require high temperature and low rainfall. Okay. But there is interesting case here, guys. Ragi, if you take, okay, Ragi, if you take Tamil Nadu, southern Andhra Pradesh, southern Karnataka, Ragi is grown more, guys. Ragi is more in Tamil Nadu, southern Andhra Pradesh, southern Karnataka. Okay, Ragi is grown more. Done? Yeah. Next is Jowar. Southern Andhra Pradesh. Jowar is mostly grown in North Karnataka, Telangana region, and Maharashtra regions. Okay, you see, guys, southern part of Karnataka, southern part of Andhra Pradesh, southern part of Tamil Nadu will have ragi, and above that, that is northern part of Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra will have jowar. Now, above that, if you go, that is above Vindhyas and Satpuras. So, if you take Madhya Pradesh, South East Rajasthan, in these areas, bajras are grown. Okay, and you see, apart from this, Gujarat and Rajasthan, we normally see all types of millets. There are different types of millets, Shushmit. Different people have been used to different things. And remember, southern part, that is ragi growing areas, red soil is there. Jowar growing areas, black soil is there. Above that also black soil is there. Mixed soils are there. So soil, rainfall, all this help in different millets cultivation. Yeah. Yes, Lakshmi. Shall I move? Now, guys, No, Aniket. No, not required. Ma'am, if you can relate with maps, it is better now. Next, wheat cultivation, guys. As you are aware, wheat is Rabi crop. It requires low temperature and average rainfall, not very high. So they are mostly grown in winter, especially in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Western Uttar Pradesh, Northern Rajasthan, etc. Wheat growing areas. Yes, we saw rice, sugarcane, right? Cotton, jute, wheat, right? If we take okay, rubber, uh, coconut, cashew, these type of crops, guys, they require high temperature and high rainfall, and mostly they also require laterite soil. Mostly they are grown in west coast of India, Chota Nagpur Plateau. As I told you guys, it is not there in uh, Nagaland and all, Meghalaya and all, because their tribal communities are more. Is this done? Coffee, guys. Coffee. Because coffee requires high temperature and high rainfall. Sushmit, what I tried to say is, in Northeast India, we get good amount of rainfall. Unfortunately, we won't get what do you call it as we don't grow these type of crops, plantation crops, because tribal communities are involved in shifting cultivation. See, coffee requires high temperature, high rainfall, but they are mostly shade loving crop. Shade loving crop. What is the meaning of shade loving crop? It grows in the shadow. Now you see this. This is my Western Ghats. This is my Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiris. Okay. Now sun's rays will be here. Sun's rays will fall everywhere. But you see 1 and 2. Can I say, guys, 1 and 2 are in the shadow areas? 1 and 2 are in shadow areas. Is that good for cultivation? Is that good for cultivation of coffee? So wherever mountains are there, shadows are there, like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, some parts of Kerala, Andhra Pradesh is Andhra Pradesh. Ma'am, coffee is not grown in Europe, ma'am. No, no, that's wrong. Coffee is not grown in Europe at all. Coffee require high temperature. Fine. Yeah. Brazil and all is this. We can, ma'am. Anjali, we can. No, no. Northeastern states don't grow coffee, they grow tea. Is this done? Coffee? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Africa, yes, ma'am. Africa, yes. Africa, Brazil, and all, yes. Tea cultivation, guys. Tea cultivation. Low temperature and drizzling rainfall. Guys, you tell me, low temperature, can I say one, it will be in temperate region? Low temperature will be in temperate region and also on top of mountains, guys. So low temperature will be there. Low temperature will be there on top of mountains, or low temperature will be there closer to temperate region. So in India, Assam region, okay, Assam region, West Bengal region, Darjeeling area. In these two areas, you have something called as doers. There is a region called doers, which is ideal for tea cultivation. Tea cultivation. Apart from this, you will have in Andhra Pradesh, parts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Doers. Yeah. Ma'am, basically, uh, doers are alluvial sediments like this. If this is your Shivalik mountains, doers will be like this. Now you tell, can I grow tea cultivation here? And can I say when I grow tea here, uh, will water be stagnant or will water keep flowing down this? Sonal, no. Don't get confused with duns. Duns is different. Doers are different. Yeah. Please understand this. Tea requires continuous rainfall, but water should not be stagnant. Okay. Water should not be stagnant. Water should keep flowing down. Water should keep flowing down. Okay. So, when we talk about Shivaliks, okay, so in this region, what is going to happen? It will keep flowing down, and this area will be good for tea cultivation. We call doers. Guys, agriculture, don't get into technicalities, guys. Basic understanding is enough. And remember, wherever mountains are there, there is possibility of tea cultivation. Little bit at least. Okay, little bit at least, some tea cultivation will always be there. Next, last one is silk cultivation. Okay, silk. As you're aware, silkworms consume mulberry leaves, and they produce silk called as mulberry silk. Okay, and in case if silkworms consume non-mulberry leaves, if it will eat other things, non-mulberry leaves, then it is called as Vanya silk. Okay, Vanya silk. And guys, when I look at this Vanya silk, the types of silk is called eri, muga, tasar, tropical tasar. These are all different types of silks. Okay, mulberry silk is basically produced from mulberry leaves. Non-mulberry leaves produce Vanya silk. And eri, muga, tasar, tropical tasar are different types of Vanya silk. Okay, then you see everyone. The most important aspect that we all have to learn is Karnataka is the largest producer of silk, and silk is also produced in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, southern region, and silk is very well produced in Northeast India. Northeast India. So silk is mostly produced in Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Northeast India. These are the areas which are extremely good for silk. Okay. Everyone, this is agriculture for you guys. Okay, this is agriculture for you. Ma'am, almost all qualities are good. Northeast India is much better compared to South. Yes, Sanjay. But you need to practice them. Yeah, ma'am. If you can see them, that should be good enough. Yeah, Ankita. These are enough. Almost all types of crops are there. Yes. Okay. Guys, please understand, Ragi, Jowar, Bajra can be grown in all the dry regions. But I gave you major regions. Okay, every crop is grown in every state at different parts, guys. Major areas I have covered. Yes, Kavita, you're right. Yeah. Ma'am, frost free basically means when in winter season, water will become ice. That should not happen for cotton cotton cultivation. Okay, guys, the next one is oceanography. Okay, the next one is oceanography. Shall we do next class Saturday? I don't want to. Yeah. Yeah, Abhishek, that you will study in disaster management. Not tomorrow, not tomorrow, guys. Monday we'll do. Yeah. Yeah, Anjali, the meaning of that is we normally use lot of groundwater to grow rice rather than importing it from other countries. Yeah, shifting cultivation and all we normally did in world climate risk. That's enough. Okay. Definitely, ma'am. If you use lot of groundwater, negative impact is always there. Guys, as I told you, I'll check with them because we lost 1.5 day because of some technical issues. So, the class is scheduled till 24th, guys. So, till Wednesday. If required, I will take other classes later. Puja, organic farming is natural fertilizers are used. If you use chemicals, it is called inorganic farming. Yeah, Kamal Pal, tell me. Mulching basically means, ma'am, uh, we normally try to put grass and all on top of the land, agricultural land, so that fertility improves. Okay. Vidya, I may require some more. I will take that, Vidya. Huh. Kamal Pal, whenever rocks are made up of sedimentary is deposited by sand. Okay, due to that, they will be little loose. Just imagine you put some gum and then you have brought the sand together and original rock will always be hard. Okay, whereas when you put gum and all, it's easy to break. So sedimentary is mostly formed because of cementation of sediments. That's why it's easy to break. Both granite is slow cooling inside and it also has more silica content. Sushmit, everything is not uniform. It varies from region to region. Okay. Kamalpal, next class I will explain formation of Himalayas and all. Abhishek, no need. Kennedy, gully erosion means, ma'am, just look at the images. Rills, when they keep joining, it becomes gullies, ma'am. Sorry. Kennedy, whenever rills join, it forms gully. Yeah. Akshay, Babbar, big rocks are there. If big rocks are there, gaps will be more. If small sediments are there, gaps will be less. Yes. Okay, guys. Monday we'll meet then. Fine. Thank you.